Right, so I'm at the storage yard. We've just been away. It's been a few days. We've just left the caravan and just going to come back and have a look at it. We did notice on the drive back there are quite a few marks over the front of it and the backs as well, bit of mud. So it's going to give it a bit of a dry sparkle treatment on there, and inside give it a bit of a sweep and a bit of a clean. Let's have a look and see what it looks like inside. So it doesn't look too bad. I did leave the covers on though. I mean, we do leave the blinds down. We didn't leave the blind on the light there. I don't know if we should have done that so it doesn't bleach anything. I don't know. It's quite sunny today. But I'm going to take the covers off the seats and the bed and everything, give it a really good wash. I didn't take them the time. We had quite a lot of stuff to pack, so I didn't take them. And the floor where we were in and out taking stuff back and forth is a bit dirty, so I'm gonna give that a really nice clean. We've left the fridge open as usual, just to give it a bit of an air and everything. But I mean, do you take everything out of the caravan when you're leaving? You know, when you finished your trip, do you leave your caravan like ready for the next trip so you don't have to come back and do it? I don't know. Now, as you can see, the fridge is pretty spotless. I mean, it's a brand new caravan, and we do like to keep it as good as we can. But I did notice that at the bottom here, I've taken the baskets out here, but there's like water just pooled at the bottom here, and I did notice that this little tray bit that's up here did have a little bit of water in it, so it might be just worth checking. Do you know, when you do store, trying to get as much liquid out of the caravan as possible. I'm just assuming it's a little bit of condensation from when we emptied it out and it was cold when we left it, and it's just kind of like a bit of water pooling, but I'm sure it's fine. I'm just going to clear it all up now, make sure it's all nice and dry. Right, that's it. I've cleaned it inside. I've given it a bit of a dry sparkle on the outside. There wasn't too much muck, there was just a little bit of from spots for some mud and stuff like that. So I did this dry sparkle routine. It's come out really shiny. The weather is really hot though, so as soon as you put anything on, it's just drying straight away. So it's probably not the right day to have done it, but at least it's looking absolutely beautiful. The caravan, not me. I'm sweating because it's pretty hard work in the sun, but thanks for watching. If you've got any tips for cleaning the caravan, those little grooves in the battery box, or that water that was in the fridge, just let me know. I'd also really be interested if you pop in the comments, how do you leave your caravan? Do you leave it ready just to put your stuff in and go, or do you just leave it at the storage and then come back a few days before you go and just do all the cleaning and tidying that I've just done today? Okay, catch you soon. We hey ho, let's tow. Subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.